Would you know, lead swimmer? At the corner, I think we have our lead swimmer. There we go, lead swimmer, heading out of the water. 9 to 10 years old category, boys. First out of the water is 341. Right behind him. They're quick, I cannot read their race numbers. Hold on. Hold on.
Where's Ethan?
356. 344, and the rest of the pack.
Where's Ethan?
351. This is going to be a close race, right?